Fiction is full of mind-blowing and sometimes downright bizarre ways the universe could meet its doom. From planets smashing into each other to holes in reality swallowing entire galaxies. Yeah, it gets pretty weird. Okay, let me set the scene for you. You wake up one morning and find out there's a rogue planet. Yeah, a whole planet on a collision course with Earth. It's not a question of if, but when. That's the basic setup for the movie Melancholy. No superheroes, no time travel, just one big, slow-motion disaster coming right at us. Now in most movies, there's always that last-minute mission to save the world. You know, Bruce Willis jumps in a spaceship and blows up the asteroid, or someone discovers a hidden portal to escape through. But in Melancholy, none of that happens. There's no hope, no grand plan, just a looming sense of doom. The rogue planet, aptly named Melancholy, just drifts closer and closer. And the worst part, everyone knows it's coming and there's absolutely nothing they can do about it. It's like watching a slow-motion car crash. You see it happening, but you can't look away. This movie isn't just about the end of the world though. It's about how people react when faced with the inevitable. Some freak out, some shut down, and some just give up. The main character, Justine, pretty much embodies this. She's already struggling with depression, and the idea of the whole world ending, it's almost like she saw it coming the whole time. While everyone is losing their minds, she's strangely calm, like the end of everything is no big deal. It's like, oh, the planet's gonna crash into us. Cool, let me finish my dinner first. And that's the real kicker with Melancholy. The planet isn't just some big rock hurtling through space, it's a metaphor. The way it slowly approaches, like this inescapable force, mirrors the way depression creeps up on you. You can't outrun it, you can't fight it, and sometimes it feels like it's gonna crush everything in your life. The whole movie is like one big meditation on depression and nihilism. It's not just about the end of the world, it's about how for some people, their personal world is already ending long before the destructive planet arrives. It's dark, yeah, but in a weird way, it's also kind of honest. Sometimes, life feels like a rogue planet is about to slam into you and all you can do is sit there and watch. And you know what's wild? There's no epic showdown, no last-minute escape. The movie ends exactly how you think it will, with the planet smashing into Earth and everything just ending. No sequel, no after-credit scene where the Avengers pop up. Just a big cosmic game over. So if you ever wondered what the end of the world will look like without any hope of rescue, Melancholy is your answer. It's slow, it's inevitable, and it's a little too real. If we're talking about the end of the universe, we can't forget Doctor Who. This show has been around forever, literally like since the dawn of time, and it's seen every kind of universal collapse imaginable. If there's a way for the universe to end, the Doctors either stopped it, seen it, or caused it by accident. In the Doctor Who universe, we've got everything from the heat death of the universe to something called the Big Crunch. Heat death is when the universe expands so much that all the stars burn out and everything just freezes. No more energy, no more life. The Big Crunch, on the other hand, is when the universe decides, you know what, let's hit reverse, and everything collapses back in on itself. It's like the universe hits rewind, but instead of playing your favorite song, it crushes you into a black hole. The best part of the Doctor Who universe ending moments is that they blend adventure and action with serious metaphysical questions. You're sitting there watching an epic battle between Time Lords, Daleks, or some ancient evil, but at the same time, you're thinking about the nature of existence. Can we ever really stop the end of the universe? Should we even try? So here's my question for you. How do you imagine the universe will end? Have you read a book or watched a movie that blew your mind with its version of the apocalypse? Drop it in the comments because I would love to hear your take. And hey, until the universe does decide to pull the plug, don't forget to like and subscribe.